Now that the annoying air compressor is finished, we're going to continue on. So, riser number 1, riser number 2, riser number 3. There's a solenoid on top of each one, wired into some of the outputs on this panel. This is a Spectronics 640 panel. It's been here for a very long time. It was probably manufactured in the late 70s. And the issue is it was noted at a sprinkler test that risers number 1 and number 2 solenoids were not activating. We actually conducted a full test, or not a full test, but a test of each cooler's heat detection. We did 2 in each system. So 2 on number 1, 2 on number 2, and 2 on number 3. Each one of those, I could hear the solenoids activating on these systems. I'm going to go ahead and simulate it now. So hopefully we can pick that up on the video if I'm really quiet. This will be number 1. Or, yeah. You hear the click back there. We've got input number 1 activating output number 1, as evidenced by the front cover. Riser number 1 heat detector. That's what that says. Riser number 1 solenoid. And it did act and operate as mapped. So we're going to go ahead and reset that. Now we're going to simulate number 2. Simulate number 2. Go ahead and listen for the click of the solenoid. You hear the click? Come over here. We've got riser number 2 activated, which is output number 6. Here we go. Heat detector riser number 2 and the heat riser 2 solenoid. There it is. It activated correctly. Now we're going to reset that and go for number 3. So here's number 3. Right here. Listen for the click. We got a click on number 3. Up here. Same thing. We've got input number 7, output number 11. Riser number 3, heat detector. Riser number 3, solenoid. I don't know. The video's not quite focusing correctly, but there we go. On Friday, when I was here, I was activating this one, input number 7, and I was not getting a consistent activation on number 11. I took the card out, dusted it off, and reseated it, and it appears to be working okay now. More than likely, though, this panel is old. It could be, just time to consider replacement. Definitely, it's time to consider replacement. That's it for now, but everything is working now, and we're going to leave it this way.